Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about function declaration with default parameters or default values. So these functions in C++ we have a function with default value is a function where one or more of its parameters are given default values during the function declaration. This means if we call the function and do not provide the argument for those parameters, the default values are used. And if they are called and with argument, those arguments are going to overwrite the default values. So let's illustrate this with an example. Here we have the main function, here is another function. Here we have the greet, it's the name of the function and it's a void function. And previously we had like int x in the parentheses, so the argument of the function was like an integer, but or input argument and input are the same, so I can use them interchangeably. So but here the argument of the function is a string which is called name here, okay? And the default value for this name is guest. So if we see this part like equals something in the parentheses in a function declaration, we realize that it's a function with default value. What does it mean? So first we go to the main function and we call the function. So when we are calling the function, you see here the argument is not given in this call. So when the argument is not given, this line, this part that is highlighted, would simply put the value guessed, would set the value guessed to the string name. So it would say, hello guest, welcome to the program. However, if we provide the argument and we call it here again, if we provide the argument, Alice would replace guest and it would say, hello Alice, welcome to the program. Let's run the code once. Okay, great. So here we are seeing that the first time we are calling the function with no argument, and it is just simply saying, hello guest, welcome to the program. And the second time we are giving the argument to call the function and it says, hello Alice, welcome to the program. So for the second time, Alice is replacing the word guest. So this function is very important to be used because otherwise we had to write two functions. Now we are only using one function. So if we call it with no argument, it's going to put the default guest to name and guest is going to be printed here. But if we are calling it with certain argument, it's going to replace guest with the called argument and then print the output. Thank you for watching.